Hey, Jonathan here at TopSaw. I've been doing tree work forever. Today I just got a new Sentinel notch saddle from Tree Stuff, and I was going to just kind of review it, so stay tuned for that review. Alright, I'm going to go over the Sentinel notch from Tree Safe today. Before I go over that, let me show you my old saddle. So this is my old saddle. It's a Buckingham saddle. I love this thing, worked great. It did have a bridge across it. I was about ready to replace the bridge, but just kind of getting old and worn out. And then these Velcro parts on the leg straps were all worn out. And then the pieces that hold up the leg straps wore out and broke. So if I'm going to replace all those pieces, I thought I'd just buy a new saddle. So I got the new Sentinel notch. Tree Safe, and I'll get up in the tree for the first time right now and outfit it. I like the buckles on it. I like that waist buckle, and I'll show you how it works. The Sentinel notch, it has this Velcro inside piece to hold it together. These buckles right here goes through and then snaps in like that. Same on the leg straps, through and lock in. Through and lock in. And there's the bridge. Has a floating D-ring. I really like this style bridge so you can adjust it. And then additionally to being able to adjust it is super easy to replace. So I like that bridge a lot with the floating ring on it. Looks pretty fail-safe. Here are my flip line tie-in. I like that. It's actually pretty well adjusted. Maybe a little lower on the back of the thighs. Alright, well let's go get in the tree and see how it works. Alright, California live oak hanging over the deck. I'm going to kind of clean it up off of the deck and use a double rope technique and a rope tie-in. So let me get up in the tree and see how the saddle feels. Well, that feels very comfortable. I like that a lot. That's great. Okay. So overall with this saw, I love this 200T. This saddle worked out great. A few things that I noticed is this bridge runs really high, so my pivot point's a lot higher. So I think I need to probably pull this down a lot more to tighten that up and retie this. I don't know if it's better up high, but it certainly feels different than my last saddle. The legs aren't completely adjusted. I think my adjustments aren't quite right yet, so I need to keep working on the adjustment on the legs. I do really like the support on my lower back. I like when I click on my flip line, there's nice support on my lower back. And then the transition from kind of standing on my feet to sitting in the saddle is a little uncomfortable, and I think that's primarily because my adjustments are a little bit off. I wear a 32 waist on this, and this is the smaller one of the two. I know I'm right in the middle of that window, but the saddle does feel a little bit big for my 32-inch waist. Certainly a lot more comfortable than my old one. And I like how these are not Velcro. That really adds a lot to it. All in all, I like this saddle a lot. I'm looking forward to getting used to it a little bit more. I like the idea of replacing gear, every few years for fear of it wearing out and failing. Safety is number one. So just because you watch the video doesn't mean you know how to climb a tree. Make sure you get your own mentor and get trained up properly before you do any tree work. If you like the video, hit a thumbs up. I'd love to hear your comments below, and hit subscribe. This is TopSaw, all things wood, from tree work to woodwork. Thanks for watching.